Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications on Eufy. So this is for people in case you get too many notifications in which you do want to turn off your notifications for Eufy. But even so, I would recommend keeping it on. But let's say temporarily that you do want to go ahead and turn off the notifications. So this is going to be a pretty short and step-by-step easy process, guys. But what you want to do first is go ahead and log onto your Eufy app. Now on the upper left-hand side, you're going to see three lines. Go ahead and click on those three lines. And then on the bottom left hand side, go ahead and click on settings. After you click on settings, what you want to do here is click on app permissions, and this is automatically going to take you to your general settings app permissions. So from here, as you can see on the top, it says Eufy security. And then now if you look at the bottom, you're going to see where it says notifications. So this is where you could actually go ahead and allow notifications using this toggle button. So here I have turned off notifications now. That is how to turn off notifications on Eufy. So if you know of a better or easier way to do this, let me know in the comments down below. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.